Easy compared to working under Dad. No, I think it was wonderful that I could go through the entire process because Dad had written this film about 3 years back, and he was very clear right in the beginning. He had said that whenever we do this film, I don't want you to take on any other film because this film requires a certain craft because it's spread over a certain period of time and there's a certain amount of authenticity which I need you to completely be in the film for. And that's why I took off everything else, and I had the time to actually go and do some research on being an Air Force officer. Yes, I visited a few Air Force bases. I actually went and met a few Air Force officers. I sat in the aircraft, I put on the G suit, I understood how they walk with the helmet, and all things like that, which actually gives you some kind of perspective into what it is to be representing the country and to be a part of the armed forces and to be an Air Force pilot. It will be very interesting for you to know that an Air Force pilot actually, his value is 300 crores at an average, because that's the amount of money that is invested in each Air Force officer over a period of time. So he's an extremely valuable commodity. And so they're taken very good care of. मुझे लगता था हम हीरो की तरह अच्छा ट्रीटमेंट होता है. They are taken extremely good care of. So they all met me like, हाँ तू तो हीरो है, ठीक है. They all have this attitude which is awesome, because they are the real heroes. And so I got the opportunity to actually experience that. And I don't think that would have been possible unless Dad had told me to do what I did. And I think it's been a hugely enriching experience for me. I have changed as a person. I have changed as an actor. And I think I've come to respect and learn a lot more things which I took for granted earlier.
कोई ऐसा सीन आपको याद है जब आपको लगा हो कि आपको इतने बढ़िया उम्दा एक्टर है जो इन लोग एड पास नहीं कर पा रहे हैं और आपने टेम्पर
तो पूरा स्क्रीन प्ले बना लिया आपने? डिसाइड कर दिया
ये आधे के वाला है.
They have conspired that I should not speak. बेटा ऐसा है कि when I am in the shoes of a director, then I do not think like an actor. I am only there to support my actors and to get the best out of them. And I think both my actors and the rest of the team of the group of actors that I've had have done absolutely wonderful job. You will realize once you see the film, what you've seen right now is probably a small glimpse of what is to follow. You will, I'm sure that the audience and the press would be pleasantly surprised by the kind of range that has been sort of expressed by both the actors during the course of the film. So when I am directing, I am not being an actor, but yes, I am trying to take out the best out of the actor. I happen to be aware of it because I am an actor myself, so that sort of might have helped me to take work out of them and might have helped them to understand what I wanted out of them. देखिए मेरी स्टोरी में है कि मैं अपने काम के बारे में बहुत क्रिटिकल रहता हूँ, लेकिन मैं ये जरूर कहूँगा कि जो कुछ स्क्रिप्ट मैंने लिखा था उसको पर्दे पे देख के मैंने पहली बार शायद इस वक्त कही हुई है कि एक बहुत ही इमोशनल एक्सपीरियंस रहा है. कोशिश ये रही है कि जो कुछ लिखा गया था या जो कुछ सोचा गया था उसको वैसा ही पर्दे पे उतारा जाए. हमेशा यूँ होता है कि जब फिल्म लिखी जाती है तो कुछ हिस्से उसके ऐसे होते हैं जो बहुत ज़्यादा स्क्रिप्ट से ऊपर पहुंच जाते हैं, और कुछ हिस्से ऐसे होते हैं जो शायद आपको बतौर निर्देशक लगता है कि उस पैमाने तक नहीं पहुंच पाए. लेकिन कुल मिलाकर के जो लिखा गया था उसको तकरीबन मैं ये कहूँगा कुछ बहुत ही एक्सेप्शनल बात है शायद ये कि ज़्यादातर चीज़ों को वैसे का वैसा पर्दे पे उतारने की का मौका हमें मिला. एक आखिरी सवाल, दोनों के परफॉर्मेंस आप खुश हैं? जी मैं खुश ना होता तो यहाँ क्यों होता?
Pankaj ji, would like to know why did you think of directing in the first place?
I've been wanting to. If somebody has followed my career graph at all would have known that I directed television for about 5 years in between. So there was this desire to direct. I've been writing for a long time. There were talks about my directing for a long time. So here came one moment when we decided to go in for this film, this particular subject, which was frankly very specifically written for keeping Shahid in mind. It was specified in my head that this is a film to be made with him. It was not as if I had written the script and I decided to cast him. I have a lot of other scripts. We pondered over it whether he should be a part of them or another script should be written for him. So it was decided that a fresh film should be written, a fresh script should be written, and that's how the birth of Mausam happened.
Girl मत बोल फिर से controversy हो जाएगी. I'm with family today. It was a small child. It was a baby. I can't really say much, but all I'll say is that we were shooting on a set and there was a portion of the set जो हम लोगों ने re-erect किया था just for a certain action portion of the film. तो हाँ हम लोग वहाँ पर shoot कर रहे थे and basically there was this big 200-300 kg iron mesh जो which fell down और मेरा हाथ वहाँ पर था and it fell on my hand. But fortunately nobody got hurt and the child was also safe. And I was able to pull the child away. So yeah, I mean these things happen on films. But there are many Mr. Kapoors. You have to specify which one.
Yeah.
Yes, please.
So you've been a part of most of these socially relevant based films. So why is it that you decided to direct a romantic film as a debut?
I think I am a romantic at heart. To begin with.
But why romantic film as a debut?
Well, that's how it occurred to my mind, to be very honest. I mean, there was no specific reason for that. It's just that when I started thinking of a fresh script, this is what occurred to my mind. And you have mentioned socially relevant. So I don't think Mausam will be irrelevant. It'll have its own comment to make. Though the endeavor has been to make an entertaining film which reaches to almost everybody and yet have a certain level of making certain level of presentation which appeals to one and all and is able to set some kind of a standard of work.
जी आपको दिख रहा है मेरी आँख में यहाँ काली जो हुई है ये पीछे से पंच मारा था मुझे ऊपर आने से पहले तो we have a very friendly fighty relationship. We love and hate each other and that is how we are. So na? Would you like to add anything to that?
I usually don't interact with any of my heroes. I think he's the first hero I will even interact.
आपने देखा मुझे पास बैठने दे रही है. It's a very big thing. You don't understand.
I don't usually interact with my co-stars. It's been a learning experience for me. So everybody says Shahid is very shy, but actually I'm extremely shy and reserved person before somebody gets to know me. So he actually had to kind of had to start talking to me, and then we were fighting and talking, and then eventually we become friends. So it's all well that ends well. But I don't think there was any major fight. No, we were fighting over.
You also saying there are fights, now you're saying there are no fights.
No, but it was about the clothes you're wearing or what shoes you're wearing or the slippers. Yeah.
Sonam has very high fashion standards. She doesn't entertain people whose fashion standards don't match hers. Therefore, you have to dress a certain way and look a certain way and get her approval on it. Fortunately, through the making of this film, I try to educate myself on that, and I hope that I have a stamp of approval now.
Yes.
Sonam.
Yes. Yeah.
Louder.
Yes, he does.
इन्हीं दो का नाम आपने क्यों लिया? कोई बात नहीं, आप अपना सवाल कंप्लीट करें. तीनों अलग इंसान हैं तो तीनों की शक्लें भी काफी डिफरेंट हैं और तीनों की आवाजें भी डिफरेंट हैं और तीनों के नाम भी अलग हैं. कैन यू बिलीव इट? अनबिलीवेबल. आज तक ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ.
Shahid, my question is for you. We have seen Ranbir Kapoor, Aamir Khan, and even Amit Ji doing item songs. So what's your take on item songs firstly? And secondly, do we see you in the near future doing item songs?
I think he should, because he'll be the best artist. It's true. He's the best dancer we have right now. And yeah, we can do an item number. Yeah.
I tried very hard to request that as an Air Force officer of the Indian Army, I should be doing an item song where I expose my body, and we should do it in and around an aircraft. You know, I tried very hard, but Dad felt that he would not want to do something like that in this film. Because like you said, this is going to be, and his attempt is to make a relevant film. And he thought that the effort was very irrelevant.
You still had an 8-pack in the film, right?
Yeah, well, I tried very hard to show it as not love.
Yeah, suddenly he's like, now can I open my shirt?
पंकज सर आपसे जानना चाहूँगा कि बुद्धई के बहुत सारे ख्यालात हैं पूरी आपके लिए, उसके बहुत सारे किरदार के बारे में। आज के टाइम में आपके क्या ख्यालात हैं शायद के लिए, आपके क्या ख्यालात हैं? गुड टाइम सर। भाई मेरी बात ये है कि बुद्धई के बाद मेरा कोई जाति ताल्लुक नहीं। वो एक किरदार था जो मैंने किया है, उस किरदार के बेटे का नाम सुबीराम था, जिसके अपने एस्पिरेशन थे अपने बेटे के लिए। वो अलग कैरेक्टर था, बॉन्डेड लेबर था। फॉर्चुनेटली आई हैव नॉट बीन वन। मगर किसी भी पिता के लिए आप अप्रिशिएट करेंगे कि ख्वाहिश यही होती है कि आपका बच्चा जो है आपसे बहुत ज़्यादा आगे जाए। और मैं क्योंकि शायद का पिता हूँ, सबके सामने बात कहनी थोड़ी एम्बैरेसिंग भी हो सकती है, लेकिन सच भी लगती है कि उनके अंदर ऐसी काबिलियत है कि आने वाले समय में, अभी तक भी वो अपने आप को प्रूव करते हैं, और आने वाले समय में ऑडियंस को भी और हम सब लोगों को भी, मुझे ऐसा महसूस होता है कि उनकी काबिलियत का, उनकी एक्टिंग एबिलिटी का, उनकी सिनेमा की सूझ समझ का प्रूफ जो है बहुत जल्दी सबको मिलेगा। और मेरी जाहिर है कि बतौर पिता और बतौर को एक्टर और बतौर उनके डायरेक्टर मेरी विशेष हमेशा उनके साथ है। देखिए, रिलीज मेरे हाथ में नहीं है, वो that is a producer's and distributor's decision. That is not a director's decision, first of all. But I am thankful to my producers for allowing me a little more time to work a little more on post-production. So I would say for the betterment of our product, if the film has been pushed by a month and a half, it's got nothing to do with what was being released and